What does the future of NVIDIA look like? This video goes over exactly how NVIDIA is doing right now, in the future, and in the long run. Number 1, NVIDIA shattered all its previous quarterly records in the first quarter of 2024. NVIDIA brought in over $22.1 billion in sales, which was 265% higher than the same quarter last year. Regarding their net income, they net $12.3 billion, giving them a year-over-year profit growth of 769%. Also, it was estimated that they had an adjusted earnings per share of $4.59, however, they greatly surpassed this at $5.16. Looking back, NVIDIA hasn't missed a consensus on analyst earnings estimates since the quarter ending in October 2022. This is the perfect transition on how this affected the stock price. As many people know, NVIDIA on February 22nd had one of the best days it's ever seen when it comes to their share price. It went up over $110, which is the equivalent of 16.4%. This was also a driving factor on why the Dow Jones went up 456 points. Now, what does the future of NVIDIA look like? Firstly, NVIDIA expects to bring in $24 billion in revenue over the next quarter, while analysts only expect $22.2 billion. Do you think NVIDIA could do it? Carrying on, according to the Nasdaq News and Insights, NVIDIA's revenue is on track to increase 5 times in the space of 5 years considering its fiscal 2024 forecast, translating into a compound annual growth rate of 38%. A similar growth rate over the next 5 years would take NVIDIA's annual revenue to a whopping $295 billion in the fiscal 2029 year. What does this look like for the share price? According to Nasdaq.com, again, if NVIDIA has $300 billion in revenue over the next 5 years, then by 2029, their market cap could be close to $6 billion, and it could also 3x NVIDIA's share price by 2029 as well. Essentially, NVIDIA is doing extremely well. Based on the current and revenue expectations, it looks like NVIDIA will continue to exceed projections.